Alright, my brother, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share about wardrobe for Try Hack Me Again. Yes, this title is OSP Top 10 2025 EAAA failures. EAAA failures. Yes, learn about A01, A07, and A09 in how they relate to failures in the applied EAAA model. Yes, okay, we can start this room. This room breaks down three of the OSP top 10 2012 categories. In this room, we learn about the categories that relate to the failure and how identity, authentication, and authorization, and accountability. Yes, there is 1, 2, 3. One is broken access control. Number two is authentication failures, and number three is logging and alerting failures. Yes, you can check this all. Alright. Then task number two, what is EAAA? Identity, the unique account, sample user ID or email that represent a person or services. Number two, authentication is proving that identity, password, OTP, passcase. Authorization is what that identity is allowed to do, and accountability is recording and alerting on who did what, when, and from where. Yes. We have to answer this question. What does EAAA stand for? Identity, authentication, authorization, and accountability. Alright, we have answered the question. Task number three is you can view site. Alright, this is about broken access control happen when the server doesn't properly enforce who can access what on every request. Common occurrence of this is either insecure direct object reference if giant ID like ID 7 to 86 let you see or edit someone else data. Access control is broken. Okay, in this practice we can try to change this ID number from different number from 1 to 10. Alright, we can try to number 6. Wow, $67,000. How about number 7? Alright, we found the flag. This is the flag, and we can jump to the question number 1. If you don't get access to more roles but can view the data of another user, what type of privilege escalation in this? This is horizontal. Alright, then what is the node you found when viewing user account who had more than $1 million? Yes, this is the flag. We can copy and paste. Still loading. You can jump to task number 4. A07 authentication failures. Authentication failures happen when an application can reliably verify or bind a user identity. Common issues include username enumeration, weak or queryable password, no logout rate limits, logic flaw in the login registration flow, or insecure session or cookie handling. Yes. In this section, just jump to the site. Yes, this is the site, and we know that the admin user has been created. How about if we create a new user like this mentioned, A D with capitalize and N. You can register on. You can make this same. The password is I put just number 1. Okay, we can log in. Yes, this is the authentication failure. From this we got the flag is this. Yes, yes, correct answer. Okay, next is A09 logging and alerting failures. When application don't record or alert on security relevant event, the vendors can detect or even investigate attacks. Good logging underpins accountability, being able to prove who did what, when, and from where. In practice, failures look like missing authentication event, fake error logs, no alerting on brute force, or privilege change. Certain or logs stored where attackers can tamper with them. Let's try open the site. If this is room, that if we want to go deeper for this task and for the subject, it looked like an attacker tried to perform a brute force attack. What is the IP of the attackers? We can see the log and we can scroll. What is this? This is like try to open the accesses because the IP is same, but there is a file authorization, and then for the trying in 6, he can access the authorization. This is the hackers, I mean, yeah. And we can try to answer this IP. Yes, it's a correct answer. Then looks like they were able to gain access to an account. What is the username associated with the account? We know that the user is admin. Alright, what action did the attacker try to do with the account? This endpoint the access. Yes, we know that the attacker is access to this stuff. We try and we check. Yes, correct answer. Yes, and we're going to task number 6 now. You've just worked through the essential of identify, authentication, authorization, and accountability in web application, and how it can cause several of the categories of vulnerability discussed in OSP Top 10 2025. The big ideas to keep, yes, broken access control, authentication failure, and logging and alerting failures. Concludes journey with the room in this model. Application design flow. This next room if we want to tip knowledge. Okay, you can check. Yes, you've completed this room. Okay, my brother. Thanks for watching. See you for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.